The Poco C85 is one of the most interesting devices that I own. This device has one of the longest lasting batteries that I've seen in a phone. For 7 days, I barely used it of course, but it lasted for 7 days on one single charge. This device also has a very, and I mean very good display with its colors and everything, even though it's only a 720p pixel density screen. The Poco's battery lasts a long time because of the setbacks this device had to have to make the price very affordable. A 720p screen in the big 2026 is a very surprising thing to see. Don't worry, in the A07S, there's also a 720p screen. The Poco C85 is just a weak phone in comparison to like the Pro Maxes. That is why it has an all-day battery. The Pro Max iPhone series wastes a lot of battery just by being in standby mode because it has to be ready to have a lot of powerful things done to it at a moment's notice. For Poco, most of the time when people get this style of Poco phone, it's to do one thing and one thing only. The one thing they use this device for is literally just to use it as a phone. A lot of people have phones nowadays that are gaming phones that use a lot of power at a moment's notice, and a phone has to adapt to it. This device, being very affordable, is not a gaming phone. You can play like Neverness to Everness on this, but it's very, very bad. I feel like people have forgotten what you're supposed to use phones for. It's supposed to be a device that helps you. And when you need a break for stuff like playing games, your games aren't supposed to be super duper powerful that it takes away from your entire phone experience. You're supposed to have casual games. And when we forget the aspect of gaming, we remember what we're actually supposed to use these devices for. What we're supposed to use these devices for is to talk, to text, to look at stuff online, to help us with knowledge. If you really think about it, the Poco C85 is a very good tool for you to use as long as you can use it inside of your country. Now, this model only works with service providers like Tello or Mint Mobile. I have been praising this device too much. Let's talk about the one bad thing that stops me from recommending this to everybody. The camera is pretty bad. Now, when you compare the camera to something like the A07S or the A17, I would say that the A17 has a slightly better camera, but it is in a slightly higher pricing bracket, and the A07S is in a cheaper pricing bracket. Don't get me wrong, I'm going to compare it to a brand new device that just came out and of course is in a higher pricing tier. The device's camera though is very poor. It's doable, you can get away with it, and maybe if you have really good audio, then you can get away with recording at 1080p 30 frames per second. But this also has 1080p 30 frames per second, but it has a way nicer camera built inside. I do really like this device. I really like that it has an all-day battery, and you should always remember that Poco has all-day batteries. I wanted to make this video because people need to know that Poco devices have an all-day battery, and if they truly do need a phone to last a long time on standby mode because you forget to charge your device, then the Poco C85 is here for you because this device is so freaking good for standby times. I do hope you like the video if you like the video, and subscribe if you want more content relating to tech at all. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below.